Yeah, right at the pad.
All right, Andy trying to measure his AT6 that he got from Marco. Now Andy's plane.
You got battery in and everything?
Yep. Yeah, it's ready to fly.
Trying to set the CG.
Whoa!
That's going to be a good one.
Let's put it back a little bit, see where it goes. Gotta go forward that a little bit.
Huh? Yeah, I'm just ahead of it.
Well, nose heavy, so I can bring the battery back.
Now, where'd you get the CG number from? From a manual?
The book, yeah.
Okay. Beautiful prop. Look at that. That's huge.
You say it's about 5 1/4 inches?
Yeah.
4, 5 1/4 from the leading edge down here. So we're about just a little bit ahead of this screw.
Yep. Yep.
And if you follow that screw on out,
It puts it right on top of that main spar. Okay.
the main spar. Oh yeah, okay.
Boy.
We're still
Super.
nose heavy.
Super nose heavy.
Yeah.
Well, at least you got a lot of room for that battery to move back.
Yeah.
That is such a big motor. Dang.
That's the same one that comes in the 1600 millimeter.
Is it a
Corsair.
1.2 motor?
That
1.2?
doggone thing's a 160 size.
1.6?
I bet you. I've seen Marco's 120s, and that's bigger than that. That's
Okay.
a 160.
This is the same motor that goes in the Motion RC Corsair
The 1700?
1700.
Okay.
Okay.
That's, this is,
He still knows any.
It appears so.
You know, moving that back probably didn't help a whole lot.
Didn't change much.
I got a whole bunch of lead.
Hey, can
Yeah.
you guys lift it up and let me try to hold it underneath here like
Yeah, grab that.
like I
grab
like
the
to
side.
do? I like to find
There?
the CGs here. Now I'm still going back.
Oh, you're way back.
Yeah, I know. Let go a minute and see where she goes. Okay.
Bring your fingers forward. Towards you. Towards you. Towards you. Towards you. Towards you. Right there.
Okay, now leave her go a minute. Oh, now it shows that it's tail heavy. Yeah. Oh, my arms get tired. It's a heavy airplane.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't tell by wingtips. I never could.
Well, you may be right. So let's move the battery back to where it was. And
Let's find out where the CG is by let's holding the wingtips.
okay.
And we're going to have to move it really far forward. Now I've got my finger just a little tiny bit above the spar.
Well, mine's about right at the leading edge of this.
At the leading edge?
Now
okay.
that isn't too bad off, because if you come out straight, it puts you about right there. Yeah. Right? Would you agree?
Now we were just a tad tail heavy the way I held it. Right?
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
So,
if you're putting it right there on that tip,
uh-huh.
not tail heavy there. No.
Well, you know what?
Tail heavy is not bad as.
I'd rather have her nose heavy than tail
Why
heavy.
has this got so much flex in it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's much better.
Well, you're lifting the airplane.
Yeah, the spar comes to here.
See,
Well, actually, right here.
Andy, go to the front.
Oh, I know that gear's off. Yeah.
No, but I mean, see, you said why does it have so much flex? Well, you see, I'm raising the gear.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? I'm not.
So you think it's okay? Let's taxi and see what it does.
Your transmitter's over there.
This thing is heavy.
Put Gus in the back seat.
Really? Uh-oh.
What?
The motor mount. What's the deal with that?
Screws?
Oh.
Screws came
The
off?
whole mount? Yeah, it's the whole mount. No, it's the mount.
Yeah.
Is that all glued or is that screwed
Well,
in?
better to find it out now.
Absolutely.
You should be able to taxi it that way, though.
Heck no, I wouldn't.
Oh yeah.
You would taxi it even with that motor mount loose like that?
Well, as long as it's not going to come off.
I've seen Andy take an airplane out here on takeoff.
Back away from that prop, man. When that thing goes, it'll be a shredder. Pretty.
Huge wing.
Yeah, that is huge.
Yeah, it'll be okay.
Well, now, what's holding the motor mount? Glue?
Yeah. That's where it was.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I think you should
I'm gonna
put some
change-
screws in the back of that thing.
Yeah.
If you can get to it.
Off.
All right. Okay. So another issue.
Yep. All right.
All right. Turning it off now.
Shut your engine off.